Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a light classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
Yeah, good evening, guys. Can I please get the confirmation? Good evening. Hello. Good evening, guys. Are you people there now? Yes. So now observe this one. Let me revise some logical questions. Uh, let me revise. Let me revise few logical questions. And already we done. And today give me the overview. And tomorrow I will explain one paper. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will explain one paper. And the day after tomorrow, you people need to try some assessment. Some assessment. Then we can proceed. Fine. Now observe this one. Here, try to say this one. Like already we done, but I'm giving awareness about each and every problem, just a revision kind of thing. And today these questions are not our own questions, so these questions are there with the MNCs like Accenture, especially Accenture asking this question here. Fine, yeah. Can you tell what is the program name? Guys, please reply. What is program name? Answer. What is the program name? Rotate array by K na? What is the program name? The program name is the rotate array by K. Rotate array by K. So that is the program name. Now, and one more thing. One more thing is the, and here we need to say the one more thing here. One more thing is the, this is what? Can you please tell this is what? Please reply, guys. What happened to you? Please reply. Abhishek. This is one arena. Hello. This is one arena. Yes. This array contain how many elements? This array contains how many elements? Whatever the array we have, that array contain how many elements? Whatever the array we have, that array contain nearly 7 elements. That array internally contains 7 elements. Rotate by 3. I wanted to rotate by 3. So what is the K value? Can you please answer what is the K value? Answer 3 percentile 7. So can you tell the answer what's the 3 percentile 7? Can you tell the answer what's the 3 percentile 7? You people need to tell what's the 3 percentile 7. Answer. What's the 3 percentile 7? 3 na answer is the 3 na Bhavya. What's the answer? Answer is the 3 Bhavya. K is the 3. Fine. Now observe this one. Yeah. You people need to say this one. What's the function we are calling? Can you please tell what is the function we are calling? Hello. Can you please tell me what's the function we are calling? You people need to tell, not me. You people need to tell. Reverse function we are calling. What we are passing? What we are passing? We are passing array. And what we are passing? What we are passing? Can you answer what we are passing? 0. And what we are passing? And what we are passing? N minus 1. What we are passing here? We are passing the N minus 1. Now, tell me here. This is which method we are calling? Which method we are calling? Reverse method we are calling. What we are passing? What we are passing? We are passing array. And what we are passing here? And what we are passing here? We are passing the 0. And what we are passing? We are passing the N minus 1. So, whatever the array we have, that array stored to where? Whatever the array we have, that array stored to where? ARR. And whatever the 0 we have, whatever the 0 we have, that 0 stored to where? Start itself up. And whatever the N minus 1, what is N minus 1? What is N minus 1? Can you tell what is N minus 1? Answer. What is N minus 1? N minus 1 is the 6. N minus 1 is the 6. That is 6 stored to. That is 6 stored to. Can you answer? That is 6 stored to where? Whatever the 6 we have, that 6 stored to end. Fine. ARR. Coming to the ARR. ARR contain what? ARR contain what? ARR contain array elements. Whatever the ARR we have here, that ARR contain array elements. Next one. And here, whatever the 0 we have, that is 0 stored to start. Whatever the 6 we have, that is 6 stored to where? End. Fine. What is the use of this logic? Will you people tell what is the use of this logic? This logic is used to reverse the array elements. Whatever the logic we have, that logic is used to reverse the array elements. Am I right or not? What is the temp? Can you tell what is the temp? Temp is the 1. What is the temp here? Here we have the temp here. The temp is the 1. Next one. And here, what is the ARR of end? Answer, what is the ARR of end? 7. That 7 stored to where? 0th position. And in the ARR of 6, we are storing what? Temp. Fine. Anyhow, finally, whenever it's executed, the output, what's the output here? 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the output we are able to see. Fine. I'm asking someone, please unmute yourself. I'm asking someone, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. I'm asking someone, Bhavya, are you able to unmute? Bhavya, Anjana, Asmita, anyone, can you raise your hand? I'm expecting explanation from you, not more than that. Bhavya, please unmute. Tell the flow, Bhavya. Please tell me, you people need to tell. Please tell me, Bhavya, explain this one. Bhavya, in this code, what is the ARR?
Array
Array. What is the start?
0,
What is the end?
n minus 1. That
6.
is 6.
Can I say 6? Bhavya, can you explain this logic?
While start is less than end. So
Exactly.
in temp equal to array of start. In 0th position, we have element 1 and 1 is stored in temp. And array of end is equal to 7 and 7 is stored in array of start. Temp equal to 1 that is stored in array of end. And start plus plus means 0 incremented by 1 and end minus minus
Means 5.
5. Yes.
Am I right or not? 5.
Yes, sir.
2 less than?
2 less than 5.
True or false?
True.
True. Tell me. Temp equal to?
Array of start
Means?
in 1. In 1th position, the element is 2 and 2 is stored in temp. Array of end.
In array of 2.
Of end.
In array of 2. Who will store?
6 is stored in array of start. And
No,
temp.
in array of 2. What is the array of end?
6.
Bhavya. 5 na end minus minus na?
Yes, sir.
5. This is the 5.
Okay, sir.
Fine. ARR of 5. What is the ARR of 5?
6.
That is 6 stored to where?
Array of start.
Yeah,
1 position.
Next one. And what is the another thing here?
Array of end. Temp equal to 2.
Exactly. Exactly. So now once again.
Start plus plus. And n minus minus.
Start plus plus, end minus minus. Fine. Now start plus plus. What is the start?
2. 2 less than 4. It is true. And array of start, array of 2 is 3. 3 stored in temp. Array of end, array of 4. Array of 4 element is 5. And array of start is equal to 5 and temp equal to 3 and 3 stored in array of end. And next start plus plus means 3 and n minus minus is 3.
So finally, by the end of execution, what's the output we are able to see? 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
Array reversed or not? Whatever the array we have, that array reversed here. Fine. Can you please help me? Can you please help me say this one? Can you please explain this one? Can you please explain this one? Bhavya, go ahead.
Reverse of array.
Reverse of
0
array, comma.
And k minus 1.
What is k?
K equal to 3.
3. K equal to
3.
3 percentile 7. What's the 3 percentile 7?
3.
3. So k is the 3 and the 6. ARR of 3 comma 6. Am I right or not?
Yes,
ARR contain what? Answer is
7654321.
81. Yeah, guys, I'm requesting all the people. Please, trace out these three things. First one, second one, third one. Please trace out it. Take the pen and paper. Just I'm revising the things today. We are not covering any other thing here. We are revising the whatever we discussed in the last sessions here. Fine. Now take the pen and paper. I'm expecting you people needed to take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper. After taking the pen and paper, then you people need to do this. Fine. Fine. Take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper and write the code for this. Everyone, not one or two members. Everyone. Now I don't need the output from you people. You people need to take the pen and paper and trace out. Once if this code executed, what is the output? Once this code is executed, what is the output? Once this code is executed, what is the output? I need the please take the pen and paper. I'm expecting you people take the pen and paper. Everyone who is there in online. Everyone take the pen and paper and trace out the code. Just to take the 5 minutes of time. Don't take the much time. Never take the much time. Just to take the 5 minutes of time. Anyone completed? Can you please reply? Is it completed? Can anyone share the screenshot to me? Can anyone share the screenshot to me? Screenshots, I need the screenshots from you people. Reply, please reply. For the first iteration, each iteration I'm expecting from you. It's complete enough. Is it completed? Is it completed? Now, let me go through the one more example. We need to go through the one more example here. While loop of this code because I joined later. Yeah, I will explain once again, not an issue. Now, here I'm expecting one more thing here. Go to the source folder, go to the logics folder. Now here I need to go to the, already you know this one, no need to tell you. Here I need to go to the factors. Try to go to the factors. Fine. How we can find the factors of a number? How we can find the factors of a number? We need to find the factors of a number. How we can find if any number divisible by I. If any number divisible by I. If any number divisible by I, and if we got response as the 0, then that number we can call, factor. And can you please explain here, what are the factors of the number? Please answer, what are the factors of the number? Can you please tell what are the factors of the number? If any number, this is the number. If any number divisible by I, if any number divisible by I, and if we got the value as the 0, whenever we divisible by I, if we got the answer as the 0, then that number we can call the factor of a number. Fine. Yeah. Can you please explain, Bhavya, what is I value? Bhavya, what is the I value? Please tell me. Someone, can someone unmute? Mute, please unmute. I equal to what? 1. 10 percentile 1. Answer. Guys, please tell me, and each step I need from you. Even though basic program, I need the each step from you. Do that one. Guys, take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper. I need all the results from you. Take the pen and paper. I need the result from you. And what is the I value? What is I value? What is the num value? Do it. Take the pen and paper. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4 something. Or just to do yourself, and I need to go through the one more thing here. Go to the highest number. Go to the highest number. Can you please check this one? What's the highest number? Anyone? Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain what is the x value? Please answer. What is x value? X value 20 greater than 10. Can you please tell which one is the large number? Please answer. No. I need the logic from you. I need the logic from you people. Yes, I hope this logic, whatever the logic we have, this logic demonstrating. Whatever the logic we have, this logic demonstrating highest number. Whatever the logic we have, then that logic demonstrating highest number. Fine. And another thing. And one more thing is that please try to go to the one more number. Can you please tell? Can you please explain this one? move, I think already I told so many days back, I told this program, move zeros to the right side. I wanted to move zeros to the right side. Fine. Guys, will you people take the pen and paper? Take the pen and paper. You people need to take the pen and paper. Please try to take the pen and paper here. You people need to take the pen and paper here. So after taking the pen and paper, after taking the pen and paper here, you people need to take the pen and paper. Now here, so this is one array. Whatever the zeros we have, whatever the zeros we have, that zeros I wanted to move to the right side. Whatever the zeros we have, here we have the zeros. Whatever the zeros we have, that zeros we need to move to the right side. Yes, sir. So how we can move to the right side? How we can move to the right side here? We need to move. We need to move that zeros to the right side. How we can move here? Please tell me how we can move here. Into I equal to what? Please answer. Into I equal to what? 0. I less than what? I less than what? What is the I less than? I less than array dot length. Next one, what is the another thing here? I plus plus. What is the ARR of I? Please answer. What is the ARR of I? ARR of I is the 0 or not? 0 not equal to 0. 0 not equal to 0. Am I right or not? Coming to the 0, 0 not equal to 0. Yeah. Fine. Is it true or false? Answer 0 not equal to 0. True or false? What happened, guys? False. Am I right or not? 0 not equal to 0. That's a false here. If it is a false, what is the index value? What is the index value? Index value is the 0. So ARR of 0. ARR of 0 equal to what? ARR of I. So guys, I hope already I told this program to you. I'm requesting you for each iteration what happened. So for example, see this one. If it is a false, sorry guys, if it is a false, will it execute? If it is a false, will it execute? Tell me, if it is a false, will it execute? No one telling. If it is a false, it won't execute. But we are moving to the inside the if loop. That is a wrong. That is a wrong. Fine. Now, immediately here itself. Immediately here itself. Here. Now, can you please take the pen and paper? Will you take the pen and paper? Take the pen and paper. After taking the pen and paper, and please write the code. Guys, don't waste the time here. I'm expecting you. Take the pen and paper and take for loop and take the while loop. Take the pen and paper. I'm requesting you people take the pen and paper. Anyone? Can anyone share the screenshot? It's for me, Karthik. I'm revising all the old logics. So what are the logics we done in the previous sessions? Yes, sir. Take the pen and paper. Guys, don't do the time pass or something. Take the pen and paper and share the screenshot to me. Can anyone share the screenshot? Can anyone share the screenshot? Can anyone share the screenshot? Please share the screenshot. Can you go through the other example? Anyone, at least one person, because I'm giving the sufficient time now. Swami Karthik, Bhavya, share the screenshot. Aditya Sai, whoever there in the session, whoever there in the session, Aditya, whoever there in the session, share the screenshots. Remaining people, Sneha, Bhavya, remaining people. Just I'm revising all the old logics. What are the logics we done in the previous sessions? Yeah. See, now the another thing here, I need you to go through the one more thing here. Now, can you explain? Can you explain? Find the smallest number in array. How can we find the smallest number in the array? How can we find the smallest number in the array? Anyone, can anyone tell? Please answer. Please answer. You people need to tell. What is the smallest number? Can you people explain this one? For example, this is the array. This is the array. Now we are pushing elements to the array. Now this is the program here. We are pushing elements to the array here. Whatever the elements are there, that elements we need to push it. Fine. Now, one second. Swaminaika, this is which program? Swaminaika, you sent which program? Previous program or which program? Before one, fine, I will verify it. Fine. Guys, please take some elements. I'm asking you, please take some elements and push that elements to the array. And push that elements to the array here. And find the smallest number. I'm requesting you, you people need to find the smallest number. Fine. Now do that one. Take the pen and paper. You people need to take the pen and paper and you people need to sort out it. Take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper and start out it. Can anyone share the screenshot? This logic related to what? Whatever the logic we have, this logic related to find the smallest number in array. Can anyone share the screenshot? I'm waiting. Can anyone share the screenshot? So 1 second, let me check it. 10, 20, 10, 5, 20. Can you explain that one? 10, 5, 20, 13, 14. Am I right or not? Size equal to 5. Okay, fine. Guys, does anyone done? Does anyone done apart from her? Anyone done? I need the smallest number. Let me check it out. Once again, give me the time. I equal to 1, I less than 7. For 90. Can you explain it whatever you done? Can you please explain it whatever you done? Hello? Swami Karthik, unmute. Can you please unmute him? Because you are writing the side by side now. Swami Karthik, can you please unmute yourself? Hello? Karthik? No, no. Yeah. Can anyone done apart from the Swami Karthika? What happened, guys? I'm giving the sufficient time to you. You people need to trace out. Why? Because I'm trying to unmute, but you are not unmuting. Unmute Karthik.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Karthik, go ahead, Karthika.
Sir, explain.
Yeah. I think I'm not getting because of writing the side by side. Now explain this one.
Okay, sir. First, public class find smallest number in array. That it is a class name. Public static void main string args. First, we have to take the scanner system.in. Next, enter length of the array. Means how much length is required. We have to specify that. I consider it is 7 in my example. Next, int size scanner dot next int. Here consider size is equal to 7. We can create a array arr system dot out dot array dot length. This means 7. System dot out dot println enter array elements. First we can consider I is for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus. In first condition a or I means 0. Array of 0 means I consider as a 90. Next element I replace it with 1. Then I first array of 1 I consider as a 20. Next I consider as a 3. Array of 3 is 2. Sorry sir. 2. Array of 2 is 2. Array of 3 is 70. Array of 4 is 100. Array of 5 is 110. Array of 6 is 120. And I'm placing the array elements in the on chat box once we check it.
Yeah. Now I think can you explain the loop also completed now? Okay, fine.
Sir, I placed the array elements sir in the loop.
Okay.
Next, we have to find the smallest element in that array. In int smallest is equal to array of 0. First element you have to consider as the smallest element. That like assume that array of 0 in my array is 90. First for loop we started for I is equal to y because we started by 1 because of area of 0 is already assigned to the smallest. Thus we array is started from I is equal to 1. I less than size. I less than size means 1 less than 7. I plus plus. The condition is true. The inner loop can be executed. If smallest is equal to, I consider as a smallest is equal to 90. 90 greater than 20. Next element is array of 1. It is true. That's why the inner loop can be executed. Now the smallest element is equal to 20.
So that 20 shifted to the smallest element. Yes.
Yes, sir. Smallest element is equal to 20. Now again the loop can be executed for loop I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2. I am 2 less than 7. It is true, possible. If 20 less than 2, condition will be true. That's why the smallest element is equal to 2. Next, int I is equal to 3. 3 means 3 less than 7. It is possible. Next, 2 less than 70. False. The if loop is false. Next, the I is equal to 4. 4 less than 7. True. But in inner loop, if 2 less than 100, 100 means the it is false. And again, I is equal to 5. 5 less than 7. It is true. If condition 2 greater than 110, false. I is equal to 6. 6 less than 7, true. Condition is true. If 2 less than 120, condition is false. If condition is false. Finally, next, I is equal to 7. 7 less than 7 is not possible in for loop. In final output, we can get in the smallest element we require two answers.
No issue. Fine. Now, guys, so someone take the responsibility. Go to the prime number logic. You people need to do prime numbers in array. Fine. Then explain this logic. You people need to explain this one. Someone take the responsibility.
Sir, can I unmute?
Yeah. Yeah. Please, someone need to explain. I will ask someone here, please raise your hand because known things, previous questions in the Accenture itself, previous questions. So, please ask me, please take the 5 minutes of time, please raise your hand here, then you people need to explain it. Take the pen and paper, take the pen and paper, then you people need to tell it. Anjana, Anjum, Fatima. I'm expecting explanation of this logic. Execution of logic is not greater. Execution of logic is not greater. You people need to do explain this logic. Can anyone explain? Can you please raise your hand? Someone. I'm expecting explanation, not execution. I'm expecting explanation from you, not execution. Yes. Can you please execute? Karthik. Karthik, not you, and some other people. Sneha. Sneha, can you please unmute yourself? Sneha, unmute. Can you please explain this one?
Yeah,
Karthik, no one responded. Sneha, Bhavya, Akhilesh, Anjana, Ajay, Jitu. Yes. Unmute Jitu. Jitu, please unmute. Unmute Jitu. Jitu Chaudhary. Karthik, please go ahead. Karthik, unmute yourself. Go ahead, Karthik.
first, public static void main string areas.
Karthik, can you explain the only important areas? Only important
Okay,
areas.
sir. Package.com xlr.logistics we can write in the package public class prime numbers in array. Public static boolean is true int number. When we pass a number from public static void main, then that number comes here num. Int I is equal to 2, I less than num by 2 semicolon I plus plus. When the number is not prime, return false. A number is prime, then return true. Now let us execute by a small example. Public static void main string args int array is equal to 2 3 5 8 10. First we can consider for loop int num colon array. First is prime num, means first element can goes up. Int 2 num is equal to 2. Then for int I is equal to 2 semicolon I 2 by 2 semicolon I plus plus. In this condition I less than 2 by 2 means 1.
2 by 2.
Then, sir,
Go ahead, go ahead. Right answer.
2 by 2 then 1. I less than 1, but here I is equal to starting from I is equal to 2. Here I less than 1, that means 2 less than 1. The condition is false. Then this if loop cannot be executed, then return true. That means 2 is prime. Next element is 3. 3 also int num is replaced with 3. I is equal to 2 semicolon I less than 3 by 2 semicolon I plus plus. Here means here I is equal to 2, I less than 3 by 2 means the 1. 2 less than 1 means this condition it is also be a false. Then if condition cannot be executed, then return true. That means 3 is also a prime number. And next element is 5. Int num is equal to 5. I is equal to 2 semicolon I less than here 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2. I is equal to 2, I less than 2, and this condition also be a false. Then if loop cannot be executed, return true. That means 5 is also be a prime number. Next 8. Here num is equal to 8. For int I is equal to 2. Okay. I less than 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. I plus plus. Then it is true. That's why we can execute the if loop. Then num is equal to num 8. Percentage of module of 2, that means 4. Sorry, 0 is equal to 0, that means it if condition is true, written false. That means 8 is a not a prime number. Then 10. Num is equal to 10. Int I is equal to 2. I less than 10 by 2 means 5. I plus plus. Then it condition is true. If 10 modulus of 2 means is equal 0. 0 is equal to 0 means if condition is true and written false, that means 10 is a not a prime number. Finally, we can execute the code. So,
Excellent. So, so not only him, not only Karthik, Jitu Sagar, unmute yourself. Is it possible to unmute? Anjana, Balu, Chandan, or Mr. Chandan Pal. Unmute Chandan Pal. Fine. Yeah. Can you people tell? Can you people tell? Can you people execute this code? Can you people explain this code? Stack example to. Stack example to. Fine. Now here how many operations we have? Here how many operations we have? Answer. Here how many operations we have? First operation is the is empty. Second operation is the is full. Third operation is the push operation. Fourth operation is the pop operation. Fifth operation is the peak operation. Next operation is the display operation. Okay, fine. Now, guys, you people need to explain push operation code. Push operation code. So, this code I'm expecting from you. Push operation code. Fine. Can someone explain that one? Jitu Chaudhary. Anyone? Just have a look into the code. Just have a look into the code and please explain this one. I need the explanation from someone. I need the explanation from someone. You people need to tell how push operation will work internally, how pop operation will work internally. Who can unmute? Who can unmute? I'm expecting explanation from you because I already done this code, that coding. Bhavya, please unmute Bhavya. Go ahead, Bhavya. Bhavya, please go ahead. Bhavya? Can anyone talk with me? Sneha, are you there now? What happened, guys? You people need to explain, no? Huh? Because execution of code is not great. Sneha, go ahead, Sneha. Sneha, go ahead. Slowly. If you're stuck, then I will let you know.
Public wide push in text. We taken the parameter
I'm ex-
as
yeah, I'm expecting with the values, Sneha. With the values also. Okay, no? Go ahead.
okay. Sir.
Yeah.
Initially, the array is empty, means the stack is empty.
Hmm.
It checks the condition if is full. Initially, the stack is empty, the condition is false. Then ARR of plus top means initially top is -1. Now top will be incremented. Now the top value is 0. Initially, I passed the value of x is 10. ARR of 0 is equal to 10. It prints the value 10. Then again it checks the condition. Size is 4 I'm taking. Then it checks the condition is full. The condition is false. Then
So that's why if condition won't execute.
yes, sir.
That's our point. If a block won't execute because of that, and because it won't satisfy. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Won't satisfy, so this code won't execute. Go ahead.
Then top will be incremented. ARR of 1 is equal to 20. Then it brings the element 20. Again, it checks the condition. If is full, it is stack is full or not. It is not full. The condition will be false. Then array will be incremented. Top value is now 2. ARR of 2 is equal to 30.
Go ahead. Hello. Are you there
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yeah, go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
Go ahead.
Then it checks the condition is full or not. The condition will be false because I'm taking the value size is 4. Then top value will be incremented. Now top value is 3. I inserted the element 40. Now ARR of 3 is 40. It prints the element 40. Then it checks the condition if it's full. The condition will be true because the stack will be overflow. It returns the statement as stack overflow.
Yes, next one. Can you explain the pop operation also?
Okay, sir. Public int pop.
Go ahead.
It checks the condition if is empty. The condition is false because the stack containing the element as 10, 20, 30, 40. Then it move to the else condition. Return error of top minus. Means the top value will be 2. It removes the element 40. Then it again checks the condition if it's empty. The condition will be false. Then else top will be minus means error of 2 now. It removes the element 30. It again checks the condition is empty. The condition will be false. Now the top element will be decremented, ARR of 1. It removes the element to 20. And then again it checks the condition is empty. And the condition will be false. Then else it returns ARR of 0, means it delete the element 10. Then it will again check the condition is empty. Yes, it will be empty now. It returns a statement as stack underflow. Stack is underflow.
Underflow. Can you explain what is a peak? What is the meaning of a peak?
It returns the top element in the stack.
Not deleting, it is returning the top element.
Top element is
It is returning which element? It is returning the
top element.
not deleting. Okay, fine. Next one. Can you explain how to work with the display?
Okay, sir. Initially, it checks the condition is empty. The array is not empty because it containing the element 10, 20, 30, 40. This statement will not executed. Then it move on to the for loop. I will be for I is 0. 0 less than or equal to 3. Top will be 3 now. 0 less than 3, it is true. And it returns ARR of 0. ARR of 0 is 10. Then I plus plus. I is 1. 1 less than or equal to 3, it is true. ARR of 1 is 10. It display the element. ARR of 1 is 20. It display the element 20. Then I plus plus. I is equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, it is true. Then it display the element ARR of 2 is 30. It display element 30. Then I will be incremented. I is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. It is true. ARR of 3 is 40. It display the element 40. Yes, sir.
Okay, done now? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Next. And one more thing. One more thing is the, please go through the other thing here. We need to go through the other thing here. One more thing is the, so this is the stack operation. So now I need to go to the one more example. Now, like I need to go to the, once again, the stack example. Now, here we have muted someone. Yeah. In the stack example, coming to the some stack, we have the some ready-made functions are available. Because I didn't explain, but in the interview also they won't ask. But here we have some ready-made functions. So what is the first function? What is the first function? Push function. Yes or not? So ready-made functions. No need to write the logic ourselves. The ready-made functions are there. What is the first function? Push. What is the second function? What is the second function? Pop function. What is the third function? Pick function. What is the fourth function? Empty function. Now, what is the, like, this is the iteration, leave it. This is the iteration here, you people need to leave it here. Fine. Now, observe the stack. We need to observe the stack here. We should be in a position, we need to observe the stack here. So simply, we need to apply the stack here. Try to apply the stack here. Here, try to observe this one. How we can create object to the stack? Can you people tell how we can create object to the stack? Stack equal to stack equal to new stack. There is a predefined. This is the predefined here. Stack equal to new stack. Stack equal to new stack. Automatically we are able to create an object to the stack. How to push the data? Stack dot. How we can push the data? How we can push the data? Say this one. Stack dot which one? Push. Stack dot push of which one? 100. Next one. Here see the another thing here. One more thing is the stack dot push of which one? 200. Stack dot push of which one? 300. Stack dot push of which one 400. Stack dot push of which one 500. So automatically we are able to push the data. Now here print the stacker. How can we print the stacker? Answer, can you please tell me how can we print the data? Reply, println stacker. We should be in a position we need to pass the stacker. What happened? Where is the stack here? Stack in the util package itself now. Java to tell the stack, it's right. Class name, what is the class name? Right now, class name also right now. Class name also right now. Class name is what? Main. It is there in the util package, no issue. What happened? Why it is showing the error? Import write java dot util dot stack. What happened? Guys, can you help me how to create it? Stack equal to stack equal to new stack. Stack equal to new stack. Automatically we are able to create object to the stack. Must be Aditya say same as object name right here. No, see this one. Stack dot push. Warning now. Yes, no issue. Now print the stack here. How can we print the stack? Answer. How can we print the stack here? Here we need to print it. Println of stack. Println of stack. Yes. Now what is the answer? Answer is the A. I think I'm passing the particular data type not an issue. I hope we can delete this one also. Yes. Now push the some other data. We need to push some other data. How can we push it? Stack dot push of which data? B. Stack dot push of which data? C. Stack dot push of which data? D. Stack dot push of which data? E. And automatically we're able to push the data. Whatever the data we have, that data we need to push it up. Now, not only pushing the data, then I need to pop the data also. How can we pop the data? Can you help me? How can we pop the data? Reply. Can you please reply here? How can we pop the data? System dot out dot println of stack dot which one? Pop. Automatically we're able to pop the data. Now, peek the data also. How can we peek the data? Tell me. How can we pick the data? Stack dot peek. Automatically we're able to pick the data. So the first one is the push the data. The second one is the pop the data. The third one is the pick the data also. Fine. Now, can you please execute this one? Please execute it. Yeah, execute this one. These are the ready-made methods. Whatever we have, these are the ready-made methods are available with the stack. Are you people executing? Execution done now. Please give the reply. And pass the numbers also. You people need to pass the numbers also. You people need to pass the numbers also. Anyone completed? Hello? Is it finished? Please tell me. Is it finished? No one responding now? Fine. Now, observe this one. You people need to say the one more thing here. One more example. Now, here, just to check this one, basic example. These examples are the basic examples, so no need to worry here. Now, here, single linked list, I think we done very important program. Single linked list. Go to the single linked list. Fine. Yeah. What is a node? Can you please tell what is a node? Node. Will you people tell what is a node? Node. Node contain what? Node divided into how many partitions? Node divided into how many partitions? Two partitions now coming to the node. Node divided into two partitions. One is the data partition, another thing is the address partition. Am I right or not? So this is the node. Whatever we have, this one we can call the node. Am I right or not? Can you people explain here? Whenever we call the someone last program, then I can end the session. Correct. Tomorrow I need to go for the question paper directly. Fine. Now, can you people explain this one here? Now, assume this one. So, this a 10 store to 2. Whatever the 10 we have. That 10 store to 2 where? Answer. That 10 store to 2 data na? Whatever the 10 we have. That 10 store to 2 where? Reply. Someone take the, someone unmute, please unmute someone. Last program, guys, please unmute. Last program, can you please unmute yourself? Swati Manasa, Bhavya, Abhishek. Abhishek, someone, Akhilesh. Please respond. Chaitanya, Chandan, Charlata, anyone, someone, please raise your hand. I'm expecting explanation of this code. Anyone, guys, because already I done the code I may not in a situation to explain again because I'm providing the revision of the old codes. No. Do this one, guys. Is it done? Can someone explain? I am waiting from you people only. So for example, let me explain here. If node head, for example, I'm taking one head node. I'm taking one head node here. Try to observe this one. I'm creating one new node. Guys, see this one. I'm creating which one? I'm creating one new node. If no node, if no node available, if no node available, if no node available, nothing is there. If no node available, whatever the new node we have, then that new node we can call the head node. If no node available, node not available. If a node not available here, then this one we can call head is the whatever the new node we have, that a new node we can call the head node. Fine. And another thing. And one more thing is the try to say the another thing here. We need to say the another thing here. Now we need to say the another thing here. For example, if node available, assume this one. Nodes are already available. If nodes are already available, we need to jump to last node now. We should be in a position we need to jump to last node now. Whatever the node we have, we people need to jump to the last node here. So simply we need to jump to the last node. Whatever the last node is there, we need to jump to that node here. Fine. After jumping to last node, that last node store to temper. That last node, whatever the last node, I think see this one. This is nothing but the jumping from node 1 to node 2, node 2 to node 3. And finally, see this one here. This temp contain whatever the temp we have. This temp contain last node. Whatever the temp we have, that temp contain last node here. Fine. In a temp next, I think at the end we need to add what? At the end we need to add what? New node. Whatever the new node we have, that a new node we need to add at the end here. So automatically what happened? Node added successfully. Whatever the node we have, that a node added successfully. Then this method we can call what we call insert method. Whatever the method we have here, whatever the method we have here, then that method we can call the insert method here. Okay, fine. Now observe this one here. Fine. Now coming to the display, same process. Coming to the display, same process here. We don't have any other process here. Now see this one here. If head equal to null, if head equal to null, linked list is answer. Linked list is what? Whatever the linked list we have, then that linked list is the empty. Whatever the linked list we have, then that linked list is the empty here. Now we need to return it simply. We need to return it here. Now, and another thing, one more thing is the here also same process. Here also same process here. Then we can go to the which loop, while loop. We can use the while loop, not an issue here. Fine. Say this one. Tempo dot next not equal to tempo dot next not equal to what? Tempo dot text not equal to null. Tempo dot next equal to tempo dot next not equal to null. And here we need to choose what? And here we need to print what? We need to print the temp data. Whatever the temp data we have, that temp data we need to print it here simply. We need to print the temp data. And here, and another thing, we need to print the temp data and we need to print the null. At the end, we need to print the null here. Fine. And another thing, delete. Fine. Can you please explain delete operation? Can you please explain delete operation? You people need to tell. Can you please explain the delete operation? If no node available, if no node available, then linked list is Then linked list is, what is the linked list? Linked list is empty. Fine. And another thing. One more thing is if you entered a data, you entered some data. That data matches with the head node only. Whatever the data you entered, whatever the data you entered here, whatever the data you entered here, that data matches with which node? That data matches with which node? That data matches with the head node. That data matches with the head node. So if it is matches with the head node, whatever the root node we have, that root node we need to shift to next. Whatever the root node we have, that root node we need to shift to next node. Yes or not? So this is nothing but the shifting operation here. Whatever we have, this one we can call the shifting operation here. Next one, and another thing. And another thing is for example, root node not matches. Coming to the root node not matches here. If root node not matches here, we need to jump or not. We need to move from node 1 to node 2, node 2 to node 3, node 3 to node 4, and we need to jump or not. We need to jump and up to the data not equal to key. So finally, we need to jump from node 1 to node 2, node 2 to node 3, node 4, node 5, something here. Fine. And we need to identify it. If tempo dot next equal to null. If tempo dot next equal to null, equal to null. So what is the meaning here? Key not found. Key not found. Else, what is the else condition? We need to disconnect that link. Whatever the link we have, that link we need to disconnect. How we can disconnect the link here? Tempo dot next equal to tempo dot next automatically we can disconnect that link here. Okay, fine. Now assume this one. Now assume this one. And a search operation, this kind of thing. Fine. These things are the repeated questions in interviews. And please go through up to now in the tomorrow session. In the tomorrow session, I will explain one question paper. Tomorrow, complete full paper I need to explain to you. And day after tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow, I need to go for the like some basic exam on the one question paper I will give to you. Okay, fine. Thank you guys. Chandana, please hand out the session. Chandana, can you please wind up it? Chandana, are you there now? Yeah. Thank you guys, and tomorrow we will meet up. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I will handle the session. Okay, students, I'm sharing the attendance link. Please mark it, and if any doubts, you can ask me here in the chat box. Okay, I hope no more questions. We'll wind up the session and we'll meet up tomorrow. Okay.